In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite login failed Xbox One. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you clear instructions on what to do if you are having trouble signing into your Fortnite account on Xbox One. Usually, this either happens because your game version is out of date, so you need to update Fortnite, and I'm gonna go over the settings or the steps to do that, or because your network isn't correctly set up. So first, to check if you are running an outdated version of the game, all that you have to do is go back to the home screen, select Fortnite, and you will be able to find the option to manage the app. So select Fortnite and you will find this Manage Game and Add-ons. When you go over to that page, you will be able to find the update section and you can check for possible updates. If it detects that you are running an outdated version of Fortnite, all of the files necessary to update the game will start being acquired. So just let the process finish, and once it is done, see if you are able to sign into the game. If it still doesn't work, the next thing that I would recommend checking is this page at status.epicgames.com. So you can access this website through a web browser on your computer or your phone, and in here you can see the status for every single service available in the Epic Games. Now, one of them is going to be Fortnite, and you can see if the servers for the website, game services, login, and so on are operational. If any of these services, namely tied to login or gameplay, aren't operational, then you won't be able to sign into your account. Another way to determine this is to talk to your friends, see if they are able to sign into the game. If they are and only you are unable to get in, then the problem is associated with the Epic Games servers, and you simply have to wait until they fix the issue on their end. Now, if it is still only tied to you and your friends are able to get in, then unfortunately there isn't much that you can do. You can try a different network, for example, switching over to mobile data or any other Wi-Fi network in your area, but besides this, unfortunately, you will have to either reinstall the game or change the settings in your network. I recommend talking to your ISP or internet service provider if this issue persists, because the Xbox One doesn't allow much in the options of changing your network. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.